Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entri. I am your quant educator and today I am going to discuss the memory based SBI PO 2018 prelims paper. Guys, you know that our SBI has launched 2000 vacancies for PO level, and it would be really good if you keep getting the practice. So that's why we are keep bringing you all the videos related to your prelims examination. So once your prelims examination will be over, we will provide you mains level questions. Okay, so guys, must watch this video because in this video I am going to discuss two DIs. All right, one is a bar graph DI and the second one is a pie chart and table DI. So let's see and let's move on and let's watch this video so you can get an idea about how to approach a DI in a prelims level paper. Okay, so let's go. Here is the DI. Okay, look at this. The first 1 to 5 questions belongs to bar graph. Given below shows pens sold by a retailer on 5 different days, and these days are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So look at this. These are the number of pens. So it is a middle value. That means this will be 25, this will be 75, this will be 30, this will be 45 and this will be 50. I hope you all have understood this DI. So once you have watched the DI, just focus on the questions being asked in this DI. Okay, so there will be 5 questions. Let's move and see how you are going to tackle this DI. The first question says that out of total pens sold on Tuesday, so basically they are talking on Tuesday's data. Okay, ratio between total defective pens sold to total pens. So defective over total would be 7:15. That means from total we have got defective as 7 ratio. That means non-defective as 8 ratio. So we have elaborated. Now they are asking find total number of non-defective pens sold by Tuesday by retailer. So first of all we have to go to the data. On Tuesday the total number of pens sold by retailer is 75, and according to ratio it will be 15. So 15 ratio equals to 75 pens. That means 1 ratio equals to 5 pens. That means they are asking about find the total number of non-defective, and the non-defective ratio would be 8. So 40 pens will be sold by retailer on Tuesday. All right, so I hope you all have understood this. Here comes the next question. Total number of pens sold on Saturday is 40% more than total number of pens sold on Wednesday. So basically they are comparing Saturday. So Saturday's data has not been given while Wednesday's data has been given. So let's compare Saturday and Wednesday's data. Just watch it. I'm using ratio method so you can understand in a fruitful manner. Look, total number of pens sold on Saturday was 40% more. That means on Wednesday, let's suppose if on Wednesday it was sold 100%, that means on Saturday it was sold 140. So the ratio would become 7:5 on Sunday and Wednesday respectively. While we know the exact data of Wednesday's pens sold, and that data is 30. That means if we can equate it with 5 ratio, we can easily find the value of 1 ratio, which is 6. Now they are asking find the total number of pens sold on Friday and Saturday together. So let's find out Saturday first, and then we already have Friday's data, which is given in the graph as 50. So if 1 ratio is equal to 6 pen, that means 7 ratio equals to 42 pen. And we know that 50 pens have already been sold on Friday, and if we have figured out 42 pens have been sold on Saturday, that means their total will become 92. Hence your option A is the correct one. So guys, this is my method to approach, this is my method of approaching a particular DI for prelims level. So I hope you are getting my concept, because the method I am teaching you is the best method you can get. Okay. So guys, if you're getting it, just press the like button, and those who haven't subscribed this YouTube channel must do it, because on this channel we will keep bringing you all the data related to the prelims or mains examination. All right, so let's move on and let's see what the next question is like. Here is the next question. It is saying find the difference between total number of pens sold on Monday and Tuesday together. So basically we need to combine Monday and Tuesday's data. Let's do this. Total number of pens sold by Thursday and Friday. So Thursday and Friday's data have been combined. So first of all, let's find out these data. On Monday, 25 pens have been sold, while on Tuesday 75 pens have been sold. That means their data combined will become 100. Okay, but on Thursday 45 pens have been sold, while on Friday 50 pens have been sold, and that makes the total data as 95. So when you take the difference between these two data, you will be getting 5 as the correct answer. Alright, I hope you all have got this kind of question. Look, the questions will be easy. It's just a matter of time how you approach a particular question. Alright, so let's move on. Here comes the next question. It is saying that total number of pens sold on Tuesday. So basically we are comparing Tuesday's data. Tuesday is 25% more than the total number of pens sold on Sunday. Now it is comparing with Sunday. So Tuesday's data have been compared with Sunday's data. Tuesday's data is 25% more than total pens sold on Sunday. That means if Sunday have sold 100 pens, that means Tuesday have been sold 125 pens. That makes their ratio 5:4. And you know the data about Tuesday, which has been given as 75. So what we could do, we need to find the total number of pens sold on Sunday. So just equate this 5 ratio with 75 pens. Then we will get the value of 1 ratio, which will come as 15 pens. And if we multiply it with 15, we will be getting 60 pens sold on Sunday. So your option B will be the correct. So guys, this is the method I'm telling you. Lots of questions are based on these ones. They are easy questions, but once you sit in the examination on a high pressure situation, you get confused, you get panic. Okay, so just calm your head. Watch what I'm doing. I'm reading a question and getting it according to my and solving it in my own mind. So lots of questions can be solved without using pen. So that's what I'm saying. Okay, here comes the next question, and these are some really good questions. Out of total pens sold on Thursday, so basically we are considering Thursday. Let's find out the Thursday data is 45. 20% are blue ink. Out of remaining, 20% are red ink, and remaining are black ink. So if let's say that 100% was what? 100% pens have been sold on Thursday. So 20% were blue ink. Okay, and out of remaining, the remaining have been left with 75%. Okay, that means let's make it a ratio 4:1. That would be 80%, not 75. I thought it was 25, so it will be 80. Okay, so 25. It has to be erased with, let's do this. It has to be erased with what? It will be blue 20, 80 rest. Okay, that means 21s are 20, 25s are 24s are. Okay, so what we could do, let's make it 50, 10 and 40. All right, and we know out of remaining 25% are right. That means 1/4 are right. All right, so red would be what, 10. All right, and remaining are black. So black will be 30 because from 40 we have got 10 as red pen and the rest will be black pen. Okay, find total number of blue pens, blue and black pen. Okay, find total number of blue and black pen. So blue and black, that means 10 and 30, 40. We need to find out 40. Okay, find total number of, okay, blue and black pen sold on Thursday. Okay, so this statement is not complete. Sold on Thursday, yes. And we know that this 50 ratio equals to 45 pence. Okay, just look at this. 50 ratio equals to 45 pence. That means one ratio will come as 45 by 50. And if we need to find these blue and black data, that would become 40. So what we could do, we can multiply it with 40 to get the clear answer. Look at this, 36 pen would be the correct answer. So guys, it was a really good question. You might get confused in the ratio segment, okay, but let me give you a very clear answer. You can assume 50 ratio of the total pens sold on Thursday. Then you know that 20% were blue. That means the remaining, or you can say rest, have been got 80 pens. All right, 80 ratio. And if we use the fraction method, we can easily find out. All right, so I hope you have got this question easily. All right, let's look at the next DI, and the next DI says pie chart given below shows total number of workers in 3 different companies. So basically pie chart shows 3 different companies, A, B, C. In A, there were 32% employees, in B 44%, and in C 24%. While company A gives officers and workers in ratio 1:16. B gives 1:18 and C gives 1:12. Okay, and total number of employees are officers plus workers. Remember that. Then the first question, they are saying find the difference between total number of workers in company A and total number of workers in company B. Look at this. Total number of workers data have been given in terms of percentage. All right, so how we are going to do that? So basically we need to take the difference between workers in company A and B and C together. Look at this. The B and C together data will become what? 68, and you need to subtract it from 32, and that makes 6 and 3, 36% of 900. So basically 900 was the total number of workers, and we don't need to do that because the workers and officers ratio have been given. So if they had asked you on officers data, we could have done that with the comparison method. Now 36%, that means we will multiply 36 into 9. So 9 6 are 54, 9 3 are 27, and 5 32. So your first option will be the correct one. Got it? Alright, let's look at the next question. The total number of employees in company B is how much more than total number of employees in company C? So basically we need to compare total employees of B with total employees of C. So look at this, how you are going to do that. As we know that the total employees are 900. Alright, sorry, total workers are 900. So in company B, it was 44%. So we will do 44% of 900. Let's look at this. Let's look at very carefully. While this data must be compared with 18 because the ratio has been given as 18. If we combined officer and workers, we will be getting total number of employees. That means we will multiply with 90. Okay, so let's find out 9 to 22. That means 22 into 19. All right, now what should we do? 19 twos are 38. Okay, 19 twos are 38. 19 twos are 38. That means 418. So we have figured out B's total employee as 418. Now let's find out C's total employee. And we know that this 900 will be compared this time with 24. And this 24% of 900 will be compared with 12 while multiplying with 13 to get the value exactly. Okay, so 9 twos are 18. 18 into 13. Alright, we will do that. So 13, 18 threes are 54. 18 ones are 18 and 5 what? 18 ones are 18 and 5 23. So basically we need to compare 234 with 4 and 13. That means 4 and it will arrive 18. That means 184 will be the correct answer. Got it? So I hope you are getting the concept one by one. Let's move on and see the next question. Total number of officers in company A is how much less than? So basically we need to compare A's officer and compare how much less than the total number of officers in company B. So first of all, we need to compare total workers data. Look at this. This 900 will be compared with 32%. Okay, 32% of 900 will be arrived as workers and it has to be compared with 16 ratio. All right, and after multiplying with 1 we will be getting the value of work officers in company A. So look at this, you can easily do that. That means 18 employees, 18 officers were there. Okay, now we need to find out officers data we have got was 18. Now we need to find B's officers data. So first of all we need to take 44% of B 900 and this 44% will be compared with 18 and after multiplying with 1 we will be getting the value of officers. So basically we have got B's officers were 22. Now let's take the difference. Difference means any data can be greater. 4 is the option and it is correct one. Alright, let's solve the next question. The next question based on find the ratio between total number of workers in company A and C. So basically we need to find total workers of company A and C's data together to total number of officers in company A and C. Okay, so how we are going to solve this question? Look at, we need to focus on A and C's data and that makes 66%. So if you are comparing this data or taking the ratio, you need to remember that this value doesn't matter. Why? Because if you elaborate on both the occasions, this 900 will be eliminated. So there is no such need for that. So it will become, sorry, not 56. Okay, it will be 56%. Remember that, 56%. Because this will become 6 and this will become 5. Okay. Now if we compared officers data, what we will do? First 32% will be compared on 16 ratio, then 24% will be compared on 12 ratio, and that makes 56 ratio what? 4. So it will become 16 ratio 1. Okay, sorry, 14 ratio 1. 14 ratio 1. So your option C will be the correct one. It was a really nice question. Here comes the last question. Look, total number of officers and workers in company D. So basically there is no such data of D. So we have been given that total number of officers and workers. Officers and workers in company D is 50% and 25% more than total number of officers and workers in company C respectively. So basically we need to find out the data of C first. Okay, so let's find out 900 and we are going to compare C's data. That means 24% of 900. Okay, after getting 24% we got what? Workers data. This will be workers data. Okay, so workers data has got 9 into 24. If we compared it with 12 and multiplied with 1, we will be getting what? Officers data. So we have got now D's data would be like what? 50% and 25% more. So first of all, D's data of officers will be 50% more. So 50% of 18 would become 9. Okay, so 9 more than 18, that means it will become 27. Okay, now and 25% more on total number of officers and workers in C. So 25% more of what? Workers of C, that means 1/4. That means 54 more. And this data generates, that means 9 into 24 generates 9 4s are 36, 9 2s are 18, 18 and 3 2 and 16. So if we add 54 here, we will be getting 0 7 2. Okay, so that means the D's officers were 27 and D's workers were 270. Okay, find the total number of employees of company D, and that makes the total 297. So it was a clear case of solving a particular question within time. I hope you all have got this concept. Okay, so guys, if you are getting it, if you got the concept, if you got the method, the most important method, you must like and subscribe our YouTube channel. So don't forget to join on every 16, 19 and 22, okay, on December. So just don't forget to join me on 9 p.m. in the night. Okay, so stay tuned with Entri. I hope you are getting it. Don't forget to press the bell icon after subscribing the YouTube channel. So that's it from my side, guys. Till then, keep watching Entri. Thank you.